This is a video on the Mahindra 1533 shuttle shift 4-wheel drive diesel tractor with backhoe. It's gonna have 87 hours on it. Say shuttle shift and 4 speeds, high low right there. You're gonna have 4-wheel drive, lock in there. It's gonna have the swivel seat, so you lift it up, spin it around. 2-stick control, leveling legs or outriggers. Let's see. Does have a little drip here we're noticing, looks like off that ram. Let's see. Where is that coming from? Actually, maybe back in there. I'm noticing a little seep. That's the only thing I've seen so far. Tires look good. Let's see. What else about this? Quick release bucket. So you switch it out, put forks on it if you got those. Quick release loader. Yeah, and quick release backhoe. All it is a couple connectors right there. Big pins right there. Take it off in about a minute. Yeah, nothing to it. Give her a quick run through. Start her up. 87 hours, 0.1. That's her. All right, catch you on the next one.